Alright guys, Luca Santos here from ACY Securities. I'm the Technical Market Analyst, and yesterday I say it, if you haven't watched the video, just go there, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. But I did say it. I came here yesterday and I say that yes, we're gonna have a higher GDP on US at 10:30 last night, and we did as well have a lower number than the forecast for the US initial jobless claims. Well, I said as well that the USD JPY would be a long position, a good long position, as the USD would be much more strength against the JPY, as there's a lots of things going on the BOJ, the Bank of Japan. If you don't read the news, I would suggest you to go to Google and just type it up, intervention on Japanese yen, Bank of Japan, and you will notice how weak the JPY is and how strong last night, the USD was. Well, what that brings to us is, okay, so if less people are getting off from the job, this is good in a sense, but we need to go and dive deeper to see if those people that didn't went off from the job are new people or are just people from last month that got off and now they get in again and then get off getting this we don't know. I'm gonna have to search it up and to make a better decision on long positions on US dollar. But I still pretty bearish on US dollar on the long run, okay? Because the Fed may pause this year. They won't cut. This is out of the table, out of the all discussions they are having on the FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee. That's where they raise rates. They do the monetary policy of the country, and they didn't seem to like the idea to cut the rates, but they say that they won't cut, but if needed they will pause for long as needed. So if they need to pause for, let's say, until next year, until second quarter next year, they will pause, but they won't cut. And we can see this is making an effect into the economy. The inflation is coming down, is lower, and this is one of the reasons, because higher rates brings inflation down, makes you keep your money into your pocket and not going everywhere and spending and not making new business, and this is harder for the economy to grow. So inflation comes and goes down pretty quick, and we can see that Fed is doing a good committee, I would say. All right, so yeah, I just came here to say you that, and I think we need to pay attention now for next week. We're gonna have the Reserve Bank Australian, the central bank here, maybe pausing the rates again. All right, but stay tuned. I may have more news for the RBA next week. All right, guys, thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I see you next week. See you.